My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental Rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental Rug that is saturated with a dog or cat urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorizer, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. Did you try to call the biggest company in the United States? Servicemaster, Stanley Steamer, Coit, Servpro, and ask them, do you guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor completely, naturally? And you will get the answer, no, we will do our best, but we can't. Did you ask yourself how this is possible? A tiny company by the name PetPeePee can do that? How we can provide you guarantee that no other carpet cleaner industry in the United States can do that? Let me explain. Your dog, your cat has been urinating on your Oriental Rug. The pee-pee travel through the rug, from the top of the rug all the way down to the bottom of the rug, and spread and become bigger 8 times. Where is the floor? It's mean the pee-pee travel through your rug. And where is 80% of the urine crystal hide? Deep inside, where is all the nuts and all the tides, where is nobody can reach it. Nobody. You can scrub the rug on the top for 2 weeks. You can scrub the rug in the bottom for 2 years. But the pee-pee, the crystal, will remain in the middle of the rug. Haha. So, you say to yourself, but the enzyme will eat the pee-pee. You're right, maybe. But let's pretend, yes, it will. And where the enzyme with the pee-pee will disappear? Are they going to vanish from the face of the earth because we don't like them? No. The pee-pee in the crystal in his stomach will stay inside the rug. And now you're having a smell of the enzyme plus the pee-pee. Reality, they didn't disappear. So how PetPeePee remove the urine odor? Very simple. We clean your Oriental Rug through. The blended minerals, then it's odor-free, soap-free, enzyme-free. Flood the rug on the top gently. And the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the rug. This is how I can wash all the nuts and the tide, the area when the crystal laid, take vacation, and wait for the moisture. This is how I wash it. This is how I can provide you 1000% guarantee natural cleaning. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Interesting with my service? See how I fold the rug? Enjoy my artwork in a second. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee. Remember, PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.